Introverts often have great insight into the situation at hand or even the company as a whole, since their way of operating is they're sitting back, they're really listening, taking everything in, instead of waiting for their next opportunity to speak, like many of their extroverted counterparts. The issue often lies, however, in getting those introverts to share those insights in a group setting. So often I hear my introverted clients say to me, I didn't think anyone would want to hear my thoughts. Or I wanted to think a bit more and put my ideas in an email before the next meeting. People absolutely do want to hear your ideas, and they want them in the moment. So you got to practice being clear and concise on the fly, and the smart analysis and critical thinking you already have will be greatly appreciated and highly valued.